Hello everyone, Scott Hebert, and here we are with another edition of Beyond the Bell. But this one's just a little bit different. So the City of Inverness does a lamp post decorating contest for their big event that they're having here next month. And so I brought my leadership team. You can see behind me, we're doing a decorating of a lamp post. So we hope you'll come down and check out all the great lampposts that are being decorated, but we want you to vote for lamppost number 24. We're gonna put some more information out about it soon, but we'd love to have you come down, check out the lamppost, make sure you look for 24, Citrus County School District. Again, it's a great opportunity for us to collaborate with our city, with our community, and my leadership teams to help do that. So we're excited to do that, and we thank you for watching.